Want to create courses faster, write better lessons, and save hours of manual work? With AI Studio in Academy LMS, you can use ChatGPT directly inside your course builder. Let's see how it works. First, open the OpenAI platform. If you already have an OpenAI account, simply click on Login and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be ready to generate your API key and connect it with Academy LMS for seamless AI-powered course creation. To access your API key, head over to the OpenAI dashboard and select API Keys from the menu on the left sidebar. This is where you can create and manage your keys for integration purposes. To generate a new API key, click on plus Create New Secret Key in the API Keys section. Once the key is generated, make sure to copy and store it securely. You won't be able to view it again after this point. Open the Academy LMS dashboard, go to Academy LMS Add-ons, find ChatGPT integration, and switch it on. To set up ChatGPT in Academy LMS, go to Settings, ChatGPT, and enter your OpenAI API key. This key connects your LMS with ChatGPT services. Click Verify to confirm the key. Then hit Save to apply the settings. Your integration is now complete. You're now ready to use AI to generate course titles, descriptions, and outlines effortlessly. Click Course and Add New Course button. Click the Generate with AI button at the top of the Course Basics section in the Course Builder. This will open a pop-up where you can enter a prompt or instruction for the AI to start generating content. Type a short description of the course you want to create. Be clear and specific about the topic and what you want students to learn. Click Generate Now. The AI will process your prompt and automatically create a full course outline, including topics, lessons, assignments, and quizzes. You can deselect any part of the generated course outline by expanding the relevant section and unchecking the items you don't need. Click the Append the Course button to import the AI-generated outline into your course builder. Creating the perfect course title can be tough, but AI Studio makes it easy. With the built-in AI-powered title generator, you can quickly generate clear, engaging, and informative titles that grab attention and attract the right students. Click Course and Add New Course button. Click the AI icon next to the course title field in the Course Builder. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter a prompt to help the AI generate a suitable course title. Click Generate. The AI will process your prompt and suggest a course title based on your input. The AI will suggest one course title at a time. To view more options, click Generate again for a new recommendation. Click Append to Courses to apply the selected title to your course. Generate engaging course description using AI Studio. Click the AI icon beside the description field to launch a prompt window for AI-generated content. Enter a prompt that clearly outlines what your course is about. Be specific about the key topics, target audience, and learning outcomes you want to highlight. Customize the output by adjusting the character limit, language, tone, or formatting options as needed. Once you're ready, click Generate Now. The AI will process your prompt and produce a well-crafted course description based on your input. Click Append to Course to insert the generated description directly into your course content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Academy LMS tutorials.